8046. What is one of the main advantages of HI-LOK type fasteners over earlier generations? A. They can be removed and reused again. B. The squeezed-on collar installation provides a more secure, tighter fit. C. They can be installed with ordinary hand tools. The correct answer is C. HI-LOK fasteners are a type of fastening system that is similar to high-shear fasteners, but offers the advantage of being installed using ordinary hand tools instead of specialized riveting tools. The installation process involves inserting the pin into an interference fit hole and then securing it by screwing down the collar over the threaded end. The pin is held in place using an Allen wrench, while the collar is tightened using an open-end wrench until the desired torque is achieved. Once the proper torque is reached, the hex shear nut portion of the collar will break off, indicating that the fastener is properly installed and secure. HI-LOK fasteners provide a reliable and efficient method of joining components without the need for specialized equipment. 8046-1. Which of the following is one advantage of HI-LOK fasteners? A. Shorter transition area between the shank and thread. B. External counterbore at the base to accommodate material thickness. C. Inability to be over-torqued. The correct answer is C. One advantage of HI-LOK fasteners is that they cannot be over-torqued. This means that when tightening the fastener, there is a built-in mechanism that prevents excessive torque from being applied, ensuring that the fastener is properly tightened without the risk of damaging the components. 8047. What do the markings on the head of a Dzus fastener identify? A. Body diameter, type of head, and length of the fastener. B. Body type, head diameter, and material. C. Manufacturer and type of material. The correct answer is A. The first number in the markings indicates the body diameter of the fastener in hundredths of an inch. The second number indicates the type of head, with 1 being a round head, 2 being a flat head, and 3 being a conical head. The third number indicates the length of the fastener in hundredths of an inch. 8048. How is the stud length of a Dzus Turnlock fastener measured? A. In hundredths of an inch. B. In tenths of an inch. C. In sixteenths of an inch. The correct answer is A. The stud length of a Dzus Turnlock fastener is measured in hundredths of an inch. The stud length is the distance from the top of the stud to the bottom of the flange. The stud length is important because it determines the amount of grip that the fastener will have on the workpiece. Dzus Turnlock fasteners are a type of quick-release fastener that are used in aircraft and other applications where a high degree of strength and durability is required. They are made from high-quality materials and are designed to withstand extreme conditions. 8049. How is the stud diameter of a Dzus Turnlock fastener measured? A. In tenths of an inch. B. In hundredths of an inch. C. In sixteenths of an inch. The correct answer is C. The stud diameter of a Dzus Turnlock fastener is typically measured in sixteenths of an inch. This measurement refers to the diameter of the threaded stud portion of the fastener.